Hello friends, welcome back to tutorials, and in this video you are learning Bootstrap classes, and in this video you will learn what are different classes for table. This is important because a lot of time you need to use this table, particularly for creating grid system. So now let's see the practical example. Okay, now what I will do here, just remove this everything and then div class container. Inside this I will create one table here, table, then th. So here will be serial number, first name, last name, email, uh, mobile. That's it. First name, then last name, email, and then mobile. Now inside this tr, and then tt. So serial number 1. So finally we have created something like this: serial number, first name, last name, email, mobile. Okay, now if you refresh this and check here, you can see this looks very ugly, isn't it? Because there is no any design at all in this. So you will see, just applying the Bootstrap class, how nice it will look. So just you write here table, that's it, and refresh it, and you can see it changed the look completely. So this way you can create any table with Bootstrap and apply its class. If you go to its official website one again, then check here table, so right here Bootstrap table class. Then yeah, in Bootstrap 5 you can see here, this is the class just we applied, right? Simply we have put here just table class. Apart from that, there are a lot of other things also here. You can apply different color, table primary, table secondary. That means the color code you can apply. For example, table, then what you need to write here, this table, and then table primary, table secondary, whatever color you want to apply. Table secondary, table success, danger, info, light, and all that. If you want to apply this on row level, that means you can apply on row level also. For example, if you want to apply this on first row, this one serial number, then in heading also, wherever you want, class, sorry, this primary, refresh it and you check, you can see in the heading there is different color. So rather than primary, I will write here success, then you can see the color turns into this green, right? If you want to apply the color on a specific cell, then you can also do like this. For example, if you want to show this email as red, then here I will write danger. Okay, refresh it and you can see this particular email field is showing danger. If you want to put other cell with different color, for example this mobile with green, then here I will say info, then it will show you yellow color. So this way either you can apply the whole table, or you can apply on particular row, or you can apply on particular box. And here you can see table stripped. There are different colors. Okay, table stripped. So this is, remember, this is base color, and apart from that you can apply other colors. Stripped. So how it will look? It will show you like this. Let's just copy this and paste one more, and you will see. So here it is applied alternate color. Stripped, you can see the first color gray, white, like this. There are different shades. For example, if you want to show this stripped one with table success, then it will show the green color here. So we can use this in combination, right? Hover. So you can see when I put mouse here, then it is showing hover color. So how it will work? If I put here hover, simply along with these colors, along with these classes, then if I put mouse, then you can see now it is showing as hover. And here this is one important also, with table border. Okay, so let's do one thing, remove everything and just put here table border. So you can see here there is complete border. If you don't want to show border, then you can write here border less. That means it won't show you any border. There is no border at all. And last one very important, and that is table responsive. To make your table responsive at this point of time, you can see this table is not responsive at all. If you want to make table responsive, in that case we will write here this class table responsive. Now our table has turned into responsive. There is one more specific thing, table responsive. So it is better to wrap the table outside of this. Okay, simply I'll write this table and then table responsive outside of this div, like this. So suppose I have put here more fields. Okay, and this one also more columns here. Now refresh it and check. To make it more responsive, what we will do in our div, let right here overflow x auto. Okay, so refresh it, then So now if you scroll, then you can see the user can scroll and check. So what did I write here? Table responsive, then table overflow X auto. So the user can scroll and check rest of the content. So this is very useful while creating the real life projects. So that's it in this video, and in the next video I will show you that how we can create different button like edit and delete with this table. So stay connected. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.